back to our channel. Today we're back with a Funko Pop mystery box.
Yep, Funko Pop mystery box. This one, this one's from Mike's Pop Shop. It's a $100 guaranteed value Funko mystery box. So we'll get it open. Riley's gonna reach in and try to grab them. It's guaranteed value, so I don't know what's in it. This box was purchased for us and donated to us from my brother, Riley's Uncle Tay. So we'll go ahead and try to look and see what we can come up with. Just grab it. It looks like it's in bubble wrap, so I'll get it.
I can get it.
No, it's all taped.
I can't get that. So.
I can already see what it is.
I know.
First one we got, Thor from Avengers. That's a good one, actually. Oh, it glows in the dark, too. GameStop exclusive.
So let me go get the black light. I have the black light, guys, so we can see if it glows.
Try to charge it up here a little bit, see if we can show you what glows.
Yeah, it looks like part of his cut, maybe?
I think it's his outfit, his uniform, and his face a little bit.
Show the camera.
I don't know if you can see it real well in the light. It glows, his suit glows, and then the little scars on his face glow.
Yeah. This all out. Looks like they're all in bubble wrap bag.
Okay.
Don't look at it. Well, it's kind of fun because they're all in bubble wrap. Oh.
Alright, let's see what this one is here. It's Black Panther. Killmonger. Oh, the chase with his mask on. That's pretty cool.
And at the end, I want to show you some stuff that I do on my gymnastics bar behind you. And I want to show you a pop that my dad has that my mom absolutely hates.
This one.
It's a little scary, so if you guys want to leave.
The Mandalorian Amazon exclusive. That's pretty cool. Is that it?
One more, and it looks like maybe some socks or a shirt.
Okay, so grab the pop first. What do we got here? Oh, this one looks cool too. These are all, looks like ones that I might collect here. Some of our stuff you can find listed in our eBay store. We have some of our pops on there that we don't put in our personal collections. You can check that out. It's the same name, the Curtis Connection.
Oh, there's Groot on there.
Yep, this one's Drax from Guardians of the Galaxy.
It looks like there's Groot.
Alright, and check some values on these real quick.
Yeah, and I'm going to pull out this. These look like they're socks. Let's open.
Not yet, hold on. So let's see what Drax here.
Dad, I'm just trying to open them. I'm going to go get some scissors. Guys.
Drax is, let's see.
I'll be back. I just got to go get something.
Drax is coming in at $28.
$28.
Mandalorian is coming in, the Amazon exclusive sticker, at $29. We have the Killmonger chase.
Guys, this is what I wanted to show you. It's really
This
cool.
one, $33.
Can I show them something?
Hold on. And this one, Thor, glow in the dark, $19.
So I have a keychain that's actually a pop one.
Yep, some Star
Pop
Wars.
keychain.
Oh, this is from My Hero. Yep, some My Hero socks as well. Those are pretty cool.
I'm gonna go get the pop that my mom absolutely hates.
Yeah, it's a pretty good one.
Yeah, and it's pretty spooky, so if you want to leave the video, you can.
Hurry up and wait, I guess. Right, it's in the box. Behind the chair.
Put him.
Pennywise. Alright, well that's it for the pops.
Now I'm going to show you at least 3 things that I can do on my gymnastics.
Yep, but for now we're going to say goodbye for the pops. So we'll say goodbye for this video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.
Bye! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you some stuff on here. First thing. Kind of. Ow. Probably thinking, why are you doing that again? Well, I wasn't doing that again. Bye guys, that's it for today.